from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
You getting ready for school? What are you packing?
I'm packing snacks.
What is that? What are you putting the snacks in? What's this? What's this?
Oh, that's my backpack.
Oh,
Now I'm going to clothes. Maybe that one will help.
there you go. All by yourself. You're so big. It's done. Good job. Bye-bye. It's closed. It's closed. Good job. It's an interesting day. A day we've never seen before, we'll never see again. A day where Bass will cry, and you will wonder why.
I'm not gonna cry.
It's a day where Bella is going to be assessed for school. Bella is around there, so we'll get to see her. Bella, say hi. She's excited, she's a bit nervous. So here's the thing. So as you would have known from previous videos if you've been with us, Bella missed 2 years of going out and socializing and being schooled, and she grew up in a time where it was predominantly screens. So Bella is now going into the real world. Are you excited?
Me? I'm excited because she is excited. She's been wanting to go to school from January, so I'm excited because she is so excited.
Yeah. So
I don't think I'll feel the same as when Bria started school, because Bria started school much younger as well. Bria started school at 2, so she was younger.
and Bria was doing everything at that age.
Yeah.
As I said, Bria grew up with a house where she had a lot of adults, a lot of interaction with bigger kids.
Yeah, she was very mature for her age.
Yeah, Bella grew up with Paw Patrol and Coco Melon. And, you know, she didn't interact much with the world like that. So she's really excited. She is, I'm sure she's going to be running up and down. And I don't know what to think yet. I don't know how to feel it. But I couldn't miss it. I flew down from Oregon. I flew down from Oregon just to be here. It took me a couple of minutes, but I got here in time. And I'm gonna enjoy the moment, you know. She's excited. That's it. I'm trying my best not to C-O-M-P-A-R-E.
C-O what? C-O...
I'm trying my best not to compare the two experiences because it's gonna be different. Two different children, two different levels, two different stages, even if it's at a similar age. But I know it's gonna be good. I know that much, so.
And if I look tired, I am. day yesterday with Gospel Star, but you know, I'm excited about today, so let's see how it goes. You're gonna know when you go. I don't know yet. Are you excited to go to school?
Yes, Mom.
You gotta show them that you can count. Let you know your ABCs. No, remember we gotta say yes, daddy. We can't say to the teacher. You have to say yes, miss. So you have to practice. Yes, daddy.
Yes.
Yes, who? Yes, who?
I'm on the line on your nothing.
Right, you must always stay over the white line so that the cars don't hit you. Stay behind the white line. Good.
And that was so high.
I don't know. The teacher is gonna ask you about it.
Wow. Orange.
Yeah.
Yellow. Green.
Yeah.
Whoa. It don't have anything. It don't have anything.
It doesn't have on anything, so that one is different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. That hurts my knee.
The teacher soon come. Come look on this chart.
Okay.
Look on the chart. Oh, yeah, look at this chart. Come. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is this one called?
That's excited.
Excited?
Yes.
Sleepy.
Yes. Can you show me the colors? Colors down the bottom. What color is the frog? What color is the frog? Yes. Yes.
Pink.
So that one is not pink then. What color is it? The first one.
No, that's from
That's pink, right? So what color is that one?
Maybe this color. Wow. I'm going to stack up the block.
You're gonna stack up the blocks.
Yeah.
But that's not what the teacher wants you to do. You have to wait until the teacher tells you what to do. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy.
Daddy. Where's me stack the block?
Your phone, let me see. Write it right down here. Oh, you draw the tree. Oh, can't take that. So you ready for K1? Yes, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright in the world so dark.
Yeah, cross the road, you know.
Some light.
You cross the road a little while ago.
From the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from
Right, so we can't be with Bella. We have to leave her and come back. So we're going on a date. First time Bass is walking to anywhere in ages. He went grow up with gold spoon in his mouth. Yeah, drive. Shorty.
Yeah, no, you know it.
From the cuffs is here to make things right in the world so dark.
She don't have to cross this way.
Stuff
Good
from the
morning.
cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
This way also don't know walk F.I.R.E. Look. That big line road. Right, so you must walk it. Go behind the yellow line, me. Walking and they park phone.
I'm gonna ask them where's the correct
on a little hill. Little hill. She's complaining about 15 times we stop already, you know, guys. Hill start here, so. And we reach here, so. Come on, run up the hill. Can't you come from country? 5 hours later.
School fee. Book list. Here we go. Oh Lord.
Look at us. Child going in grade 2.
No.
That girl is not having it with the PE. He ain't running up and down at school. Us, not having it. So we were waiting on Bella. Some people barely can't wait. Belly has.
The caribou case here. What? I am hungry.
We're going to Bella first.
From the cuffs, is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Start from the cuffs.
Yes, so tell me about it.
No man, her conversation, she holds excellent conversation, and she's willing to do all the work that I give to her. So easy, smooth sailing,
Oh my
and so
gosh.
forth. And the way how she adjusts herself to everything, I am so pleased. I don't know if it's in my car. She's going to come out with the card, but it'd be nice. You know the way how she relates to me. I love it. I just love it.
I am so happy.
Yes, man.
And you know,
when she
because-
spelled, she said you teach her to spell her name. She did a dance, and then she did the clap for the last name. But she said the next name, I don't reach to that part yet, but I'm gonna get to it. And so forth. I'm saying, no man, I have to be telling everybody inside. Man, whatever you're doing at home with her, just continue to do it, man.
you.
Excellent. She said, oh, mommy and daddy work with me, and I said, awesome job.
Yes, and because her sister is down by grade
Yes,
1,
man, I heard that.
she's going in grade 2.
Right.
Yeah, so her sister, everything that Bria does, she wants to do it. So when Bria is doing her work, she's right there.
She said, here, thank you for helping me to learn.
Oh,
Here, am I doing an awesome job? I said, yes, you are. And I'm saying, oh my goodness, I don't get to tell Miss Evans that she's in a meeting because I'm impressed. I'm so impressed. Yes, man, anybody class she's going into, they're going to have an awesome
Oh my
student.
God, you know,
Yes.
because we were a little bit worried, you know, because COVID and everything, and she, you know, she's been at home. Her sister started school much earlier because, you know, because I teach them at home. So I was saying, all right, but she's been so excited to come to school. She's been asking from January to come to school. Every morning she puts on her sister old uniforms and I take her to school. So she go around her desk and her chair and we go over everything.
She said, am I complete with my classes yet? I said, no, let us see how many pages you have here. So I'm doing well so far. What do you think? And I said, yes, you're doing just an awesome job. Here, you just bring some work over here, and this work is so interesting. And he said, I'm telling you, the conversation is
That is Bella.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the feedback. I really appreciate
She's
it.
more than ready for school.
Oh, thank you. All right, miss. Good job, Bella. Good job. Good job, Mama. All right.
Now I want to go on the boat now. Maybe this way.
What are you doing?
I'm using this. No, go under. No, I don't need help. I cannot do it. I cannot. Another, can I go on that side?
What's
The one that's like this.
Which one?
I want to go on the other one. I go so high.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? I think I'm so high. Mix
Careful.
around. Yeah, I am so high. I took so high. I'm just going to put my feet under so I cannot fall.
Okay.
Now I'm going to come down, Mom.
Okay.
I don't want to be up here so long,
Okay.
or else it's going to be dark on me, or else I'm not going to go home. Here we go. Here we go.
All right, come now. We gotta go get some food and go to the supermarket and go to the store, okay?
But I want to go to another thing.
I know it's a Bella now left now, you know. I wonder what mommy tell her to get her to come out now. Bella run, Bella play, Bella run, Bella play. Watch her. She ain't happy to go home, you know. Watch her face. Hey!
I didn't eat my lunch.
You didn't eat your lunch? Hey!
All right, sis, you're going to get to eat your lunch. Here's your plate.
How was school? You got Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh. That's how it's called. Play-Doh. Not potato. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Right. How was school?
Drink some water.
It was fantastic.
Was it fantastic?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Yes, Dad.
I said,
Remember, you have to say yes, Dad. What did you do?
I said yes, Dad.
Okay, what did you do?
Well, I was drawing with my teacher, and then I got potato, and then I go down the playground.
You went on the playground? What did you do on the playground?
I go down so many things.
You went on? I went on? You must say, I went on so many things.
I went on so many things.
Mm-hmm. Like?
Things.
Yes.
How?
You went in the house? Yes, I saw you. What else? Did you go on the slide?
No, it's dirty.
It's dirty. Did you go on the seesaw?
Sir, but my potato.
Valerian Dyson showing why he's the fastest man in the world this year. 20.01. Adams taking the second spot. Mitchell Blake out-tipping Martinez, but at 20.13, Martinez might be okay. Though there are 4 heats still to come.
Almost everything is 100.
Yay! Congrats! Congrats, baby!
Everyone, sing about that all better. No. I feel like now let's see.
Girl. What you doing? Sorry,
Look to the left. We are reading around.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.